Welcome to Feel Healthy, where ancient remedies meet modern science to help you get beautiful, strong, and healthy hair naturally. Your hair is thinning fast, and nothing is working? This one Ayurvedic oil can stop hair fall, regrow baby hair, and double your thickness this winter. This winter, your hair needs warmth, deep nourishment, and real growth power. So today, I'll show you a powerful Ayurvedic hair growth oil made with olive oil plus castor oil, heated gently with the strongest herbs. Use this weekly, and you'll see new hair growing in just a few weeks. Ingredients and benefits. Olive oil deeply nourishes and prevents dryness. Provides moisture, antioxidants, and warmth for winter scalp. Castor oil promotes thickness and regrowth. Ricinoleic acid boosts scalp circulation and stimulates follicles. Black seeds, kalanji, reduces hair fall, strengthens roots, fights scalp infections, and improves blood flow. Fenugreek seeds, Methidana, strengthens and repairs. Contains proteins and nicotinic acid, reduces breakage, and promotes regrowth. Curry leaves enhances growth, rich in amino acids and antioxidants to strengthen follicles. Hibiscus leaves, flowers, adds shine and thickness, stimulates scalp and prevents premature graying. Onion slices boosts hair follicle activity. Sulfur compounds increase collagen production for stronger hair. Fresh ginger improves circulation. Anti-inflammatory improves scalp blood flow for hair growth. Rosemary essential oil, added after cooling, stimulates growth and reduces shedding. Activates dormant follicles and improves scalp circulation.
Roast the herbs. In a pan, add black seeds, fenugreek, curry leaves, hibiscus, onion and ginger. Dry roast on very low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Tip: roasting activates the herbs for better absorption in oil. Step 2. Add oils. Add 1 cup olive oil plus 2 tablespoons castor oil. Stir gently on very low heat. Heat until oil is fragrant, then turn off heat and let it cool completely. Tip: never boil oil, high heat destroys nutrients. Step 3. Strain and store. Strain oil into a glass bottle. Store in a cool, dark place. Right pointing arrow stays good for 3 months. Step 4. How to apply. Take a small amount on fingertips. Massage onto scalp for 5 minutes. Wrap with a warm towel. Leave overnight. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Tip: for faster results, pair with weekly fenugreek mask or hair growth spray. Expected results. Week 1. Hair fall reduces. Week 3. Baby hair appears. Week 6. Noticeable thickness and shine. Bonus tip: use rosemary essential oil after cooling 5 to 7 drops per cup oil. Apply aloe vera gel separately on scalp before oil for extra hydration, optional. Follow this winter Ayurvedic routine, and get stronger, thicker, healthier hair naturally. Comment your hair type below so I can guide you with personalized tips. Thank you for watching.